Are you looking for a stubby antenna? In this video, I will show you the 5 best stubby antenna based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the CravenSpeed Stubby Antenna. The CravenSpeed Bullet Style Stubby is a sleek and durable machined aluminum antenna replacement that will fit your Raptor perfectly. This version is modeled after a .50 BMG cartridge and is just over 5 inches tall. With the stubby on your truck, you will no longer need to worry about your antenna being ripped off in a car wash or hitting your garage ceiling. Installing it is as easy as unscrewing the old antenna and screwing the stubby in place. Services like SYNC and Sirius Radio are completely unaffected by the stubby. The stubby is all metal, machined out of billet aluminum and then powder coated with a durable black textured finish that will not fade, break, or chip. You won't need any tools. The stubby is easy to install by hand in a matter of seconds. The 4th product on the list is the original 6 3/4 inch antenna. The mast itself is constructed of durable stiff rubber that exhibits flexibility yet will not bend over at speed. Through years of testing, our rubber compound has shown extreme durability in all conditions. 304 stainless steel threading, made in Wisconsin. The connection to your vehicle is crucial. Weak brass threading often snaps, leaving you extracting broken pieces out of your antenna base. Lasting durability in all weather conditions. This mast is a direct replacement screw-on mast and is specific for your vehicle. The 3rd product on the list is the AntennaMastsRus. Manufactured and anodized here in our home state, features stainless steel threading giving strength for many years of use. Using the finest machines allows for consistent perfection of every antenna that we produce. Manufactured antennas from local raw 6061 aluminum. Secondly, they're anodized locally, ensuring a durable, clean and long-lasting vibrant finish for many years of use on your vehicle. Anodized coating cannot peel or flake off. It is part of the metal and gives the aluminum a deeper, richer metallic appearance. The 2nd product on the list is the RONIN Factory Bullet Antenna for Dodge, Ram and Ford. Add attitude to your pickup truck with this 50 caliber bullet style antenna. This aluminum bullet antenna has the same dimensions as a real 50 caliber bullet. All stainless hardware and 6061 solid billet aluminum construction with hard anodized black finish that will not chip or fade. Bullet antenna in minutes by unscrewing your existing antenna and screwing this in place. This fits all Dodge Ram trucks 1994 to 2018 and Ford F-Series 1990 current. Perfect for users who use Bluetooth or auxiliary audio inputs. The 1st product on the list is the Rydonair Rubber Antenna Compatible. Low profile 7 stylish look. Improve the look of your F-150 by replacing your 31 long metal shaft antenna. The carbon fiber column on the bottom helps the base holding onto the mount and also offers stylish looking. The low-profile 13 antenna can improve the look of your Ford F-150 by replacing your 31 long metal antenna. The real carbon fiber column on the bottom offers great looking and also helps the base holding onto the mount. Allows shape memory so antenna springs back into shape when bent. This Ford F-150 antenna is made of premium rubber, which can sustain under extreme weather conditions. It can screw onto your existing antenna mount in seconds. Designed for either AM or FM bands. It performs better in reception than other low-profile antennas. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.